I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and signing in. Make sure you verify your account to unlock Friends features. Next, grant camera, mic, and contacts access so snaps, audio, and chat work smoothly. Tap the big circle to capture a photo, or press and hold for video. This records until you release. Once done, switch between front and back cameras with the icon and explore lenses by tapping the smiley. This prepares you for composing your first snaps. After capturing a snap, focus on editing. Tap the T to add text, the pencil to draw, and the sticker icon for GIF or Bitmoji. Pin a sticker by long pressing it. Swipe up to save to memories or choose camera roll to export. Make sure you understand the difference for privacy. To send, select Friends or Add to Story. Set a timer for view length on single view snaps and confirm recipients before sending so your content reaches the right audience. Finish by learning advanced features. Browse Discover for publishers, check Spotlight for viral clips, and use Snap Map to see friends' locations. Make sure to adjust location sharing. Next, go to Settings to control who can contact you, view your story, or see your location so your privacy matches your intent. If something breaks, clear cache in settings first, then update the app. If that fails, reinstall. One tip: restart your phone after reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.